Welcome to Product Picks. Our fifth pick is the classic Pyrex ribbed glass bowl set. This set offers a stylish and functional design, with ribbed bowls for a secure grip. The airtight lids make it perfect for storing leftovers or prepping meals in advance. Coming in at number 4, we have the WhiteRhino glass mixing bowl set. This set offers a great balance of style and functionality. The Borosilicate glass construction is durable and heat resistant, making it suitable for various cooking tasks. The airtight lids keep food fresh and prevent spills. Our third choice is the Anchor Hocking glass mixing bowl set. This 10-piece set offers a wide range of sizes, making it perfect for various cooking and baking tasks. The tempered glass construction is both durable and heat resistant, ensuring safe and efficient use. In second place, we have the Libe small glass prep bowl set. This versatile set is ideal for meal prep and storage. The nesting design saves space in your kitchen, while the durable borosilicate glass construction ensures long-lasting use. Our top pick is the classic Pyrex glass mixing bowl set. This set is a kitchen staple, offering a variety of sizes to suit your needs. The tempered glass construction ensures durability and heat resistance, making it perfect for mixing, baking, and serving. I hope this video has helped you make a decision on which set is right for you. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to learn more about each product. Thanks for watching.